How to fix Instagram highlights. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the highlights on Instagram, especially the loading problem. So, a lot of people have this problem, but they don't know how to fix it. It's actually very easy. Open the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and disable it again. Go back to the settings, go to the apps manager, click on the apps, and then go to Instagram. This is the app information page. Click here on force stop and then go down, click on the storage, click here on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on the permissions. Make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the storage and the camera. Go back. Now the last thing you want to do is click on the power usage details and click down here on force stop if you have it. Now restart your phone, reopen Instagram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.